1. Which of the following is not required to be disclosed under the TILA-RESPA Integrated Disclosure Rule or TRID? A. Loan estimate. B. Closing disclosure. C. Annual percentage rate or APR. D. Good faith estimate or GFE. 2. What federal law requires the disclosure of the APR on mortgage loans? A. RV S P A B E C O A C T I L A D HMDA. 3. Under RESPA, how many days does a lender have to provide an initial escrow account statement? A. 10 business days. B. 15 calendar days. C. 30 calendar days. D. 45 calendar days. 4. What is the purpose of the Home Mortgage Disclosure Act or HMDA? A. Prevent loan flipping. B. Combat money laundering. C. Track lending patterns and prevent discrimination. D. Regulate interest rates. 5. Which of the following is not considered a triggering term under TILA? A. Down payment amount. B. APRC, loan amount. D. Number of payments. 6. A borrower applies for a mortgage and is denied due to poor credit. Under ECOA, when must the adverse action notice be provided? A. Within 15 days. B. Within 30 days. C. Within 60 days. D. Within 90 days. 7. A mortgage broker offers to waive certain fees to gain a borrower's business. What federal law governs this conduct? A. FCRA. B. RESPA. C. TILA. D. GLBA. 8. What type of mortgage allows the borrower to convert equity into income without monthly payments? A. Adjustable rate mortgage. B. Balloon mortgage. C. Reverse mortgage. D. Fixed rate mortgage. 9. What is the primary function of the SAFE Act? A. To ensure fair lending practices. B. To protect consumer privacy. C. To increase mortgage industry licensing standards. D. To regulate interest rates. 10. What is the maximum duration a bankruptcy can remain on a credit report? A. 5 years. B. 7 years. C. 10 years. D. 15 years. 11. Under the GLBA, which rule governs the protection of consumer information? A. Privacy rule. B. Identity theft rule. C. Disposal rule. D. Protection rule. 12. What is the minimum number of hours of pre-licensing education required under the SAFE Act? A. 12 hours. B. 20 hours. C. 24 hours. D. 40 hours. 13. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a qualified mortgage or QM? A. No negative amortization. B. 40-year loan term. C. Debt-to-income ratio cap. D. No balloon payments or with limited exceptions. 14. What is the primary purpose of a closing disclosure or CD? A. Lock in the interest rate. B. Estimate final loan costs. C. Disclose final terms and costs. D. Assess credit risk. 15. Which agency enforces the Equal Credit Opportunity Act or ECOA? A. Department of Justice. B. HUD. C. CFPB. D. FTC. 16. What is considered an unethical practice for a loan originator? A. Explaining loan terms. B. Offering lower fees. C. Misrepresenting a borrower's income. D. Suggesting rate options. 17. What document must be provided within 3 business days of receiving a mortgage application? A. Closing disclosure. B. Servicing transfer statement. C. Loan estimate. D. Escrow statement. 18. What is the purpose of the Patriot Act in mortgage lending? A. Eliminate predatory lending. B. Prevent terrorist financing. C. Provide consumer disclosures. D. Monitor interest rates. 19. Which regulation requires lenders to verify a borrower's ability to repay? A. Regulation B. B. Regulation X. C. Regulation Z. D. Regulation C. 20. A lender may not discriminate based on which of the following under ECOA? A. Credit score. B. Employment history. C. Age. D. Debt-to-income ratio. 21. The primary purpose of Regulation Z is to A. Prevent discrimination. B. Promote transparency in lending terms. C. Report community lending data. D. Establish escrow rules. 22. Which of the following best describes yield spread premium or YSP? A. Payment to reduce closing costs. B. Lender credit for a higher rate. C. Discount paid by the borrower. D. Fee for prepayment. 23. When must the closing disclosure be delivered to the borrower? A. At application. B. Within 3 business days of application. C. 3 business days before closing. D. 7 calendar days before closing. 24. Who is responsible for ensuring the accuracy of the closing disclosure? A. Real estate agent. B. Loan processor. C. Lender. D. Title company. 25. A balloon mortgage is best described as a loan that A. has increasing payments over time. B. Offers flexible repayment. C. Has a large final payment. D. Allows negative amortization. NMLS. The National Mortgage Licensing System or NMLS exam, officially known as the Safe or Secure and Fair Enforcement Mortgage Loan Originator Test, is a standardized exam required for individuals seeking licensure as mortgage loan originators in the United States. The test is designed to ensure that candidates possess the knowledge and ethical foundation necessary to operate within the mortgage industry. It consists of a national component with 120 questions, covering topics such as federal mortgage laws, ethics, loan origination activities, and uniform state content. Candidates must demonstrate a thorough understanding of mortgage practices, compliance regulations, and consumer protection. A passing score of 75% is required, and test takers have 190 minutes to complete the exam. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Licensing compliance. The NMLS exam ensures that mortgage loan originators meet federal and state requirements, maintaining industry-wide compliance and legal authorization to operate. 2. Consumer protection. By distinct knowledge of lending laws and ethical practices, the exam helps safeguard consumers from fraud and predatory lending. 3. Industry standardization. The exam creates a consistent benchmark across states, improving professionalism and trust in the mortgage industry nationwide. 4. Career advancement. Passing the NMLS exam enhances credibility and opens opportunities for advancement within the mortgage and finance sectors. 5. Market mobility. With standardized licensing, professionals can more easily work across multiple states, broadening their client base and career flexibility.